Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel T-Star Bakings. On today's tutorial I will be showing you how I make my go-to chocolate cake using my two special ingredients. As you can see, the cake is so moist and it just melts in your mouth. So guys, follow me through as I show you my recipe. Firstly, I will start by combining all my dry ingredients together. Dry ingredients being flour, sugar, salt, cocoa powder, and so on. Mix them all well and proceed to one of my special ingredients, the Nescafé. You can also use coffee powder. This enhances the flavor. Add it to a cup with warm water and milk and give it a good mix. And then add it to your dry ingredients alongside your oil, your eggs, and my second special ingredient, which is the chocolate flavoring, the cocoa flavor, to enhance the chocolate cake taste and give a good mix. Make sure you mix it so there's no dry ingredient left at the bottom of the bowl. Next, add your batter into a pan lined with parchment paper. Tap the bowl on the table, as I'm doing now, to release air bubbles and into the oven. Your cake is baked when you do the toothpick test and it comes out clean. Wow! You have your chocolate cake ready. So let's beautify it a bit, okay? I have a video on how I made this chocolate buttercream, also showing my special ingredients in making a chocolate buttercream. So do check that out in the link I leave down in the description box below, and also check the description box for written recipes and tips on how to bake. I know I didn't show you how I baked the whole 3 layers, but I did it, and I'm beautifying it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't, and also give this video a thumbs up. I am really pleased to see your comments. Do not forget to keep your comments down in the comment section below and tell me how this recipe worked for you. I also added scraped chocolate on and around the cake to give it extra flavoring. I want everything to be chocolate, but you can try something else like fresh fruit, almond nuts, or just leave it plain. But look at this beauty, guys. It looks so pretty and so chocolatey. It screams chocolate. Okay, time to slice this open and give it a taste. Oh my god, yummy, soft, moist. You need to try this, guys, so please give this a try and also remember to comment down below. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.